भाई क्या सोचा है भाई गुलाटी की, तेरे से ज्यादा कोई क्रेजी है ही नहीं।
आज तो F1 वालों की जन्नत है भाई, मैं ये रील डालने वाला हूँ। एयर करने से पहले थोड़ा कट कर देना इसको।
Guys, I'm surrounded by Max fans, so if I blink twice, I need rescuing at that very moment.
इसका पैसा चार्ज कर दो ताकि
You're a fake BTS fan, you are a fake, you're
Yeah.
a plastic F1 fan, you're doing this for views.
तो इंस्टाग्राम आपके एल्गोरिथम की ऐसे बैंड बजाएगा।
मजा ही मजा है भाई, एक्सक्लूसिव।
Exclusive.
द मेन थिंग इज कि आप जो कर रहे हो उसमें वो मजा आ रहा है क्या, वो खुशी मिल रही है क्या?
I think it's just me who's not gotten the F1 memo. मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं है.
At this point I've used this so much कि लोगों ने मुझे literally DM में लिखा कि यूनिफॉर्म कहाँ पे है आपका, अगर मैं कुछ और पहनता हूँ तो।
मैं पूछने वाली थी कि एक ही है या एक से ज्यादा है?
नहीं, एक ही है, and that is why it's overused. I know.
मैं प्लान ही नहीं किया था, मैं भूल गया था आज कॉल है, and I got this haircut done yesterday. Otherwise I would have postponed it for one more day.
रोहन भाई, मैं तो बोलता हूँ अपनी शेप करवा ही लिया है, थोड़ा स्टाइल मार के आप कार्लोस साइंस जैसे दिख सकते हो विद द फरारी मर्च। एक रील उस पे बना ही दो अभी।
अभी मैंने एक बिफोर आफ्टर का रील में बना रहा था, like I had shot one video yesterday, so like something around that. मैंने कब करा ही रहा हूँ तो एटलीस्ट एक कंटेंट तो निकले।
बराबर है भाई, बराबर है।
यार अभी हम लोग
Content
सारे
पूरे time चल रहा है।
कंटेंट पे ही डिपेंड करते हैं।
But I'm with you on this, Rohan. मैंने भी अभी अपनी मूछें आजकल में शेव कराई हैं, so we are in this together. So hi guys, welcome to Anmol Says Hello. Today on the pod we have some of India's best F1 creators who very kindly agreed to have this chat with me. Firstly, we have the OG Rohan Gulati. Wave karo. Secondly, we have somebody who's been growing at this blazing speed. I want to know the secret of Omi. And
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you. My opening joke is all of these trophies that you see, these are given to Lando for bottling the pole. If he had a trophy for every time bottling a pole, this is his trophy collection, not mine.
obviously in that Red Bull t-shirt you will say that.
Right.
Last but not the least, we have somebody who's a presenter and a person who has the most interesting name, the F1 account, Tanya Mehta. वेलकम गाइस। पहले तो मैं थोड़े ऐसे फॉर्मल क्वेश्चंस पूछ लेती हूँ, उसके बाद हम करेंगे ऐसे आतंक मचाएंगे। सो फर्स्ट इज व्हेन डिड यू गाइस स्टार्ट वाचिंग F1?
ओमकार भाई आप स्टार्ट करो, आप ओजी फैन हो यार, हम तो थोड़े से
नहीं भाई, मैं I am actually a very recent fan, so I started watching F1 from 2022.
सेम
Oh?
सेम
Yeah, I mean I did not even see 2021 season. I saw 2022 में Drive to Survive when it came in February, and then it took me back to like 50 years of Formula 1, and then I started watching from there, and I caught up till 2023 season when it came in 2022 season. So I started in 2022, and I exactly knew what my passion was after then. It was Formula 1. Maybe just watching and feeling the best of adrenaline rush through Formula 1, and that is what entirely got me into this sport, and that is what keeps me hungry to even keep going and going and going and digging.
Yeah.
So yeah.
For me, like I've been watching for a very long time, but I think understanding part probably Drive to Survive की वजह से ज़्यादा हुआ. But like जैसे मैं like सबको बोलता हूँ कि like Vettel days जब वो like when he was winning championship, तो उस time से मैं देख रहा हूँ, but like on and off, like उस time ज़्यादा समझ नहीं आता था. I was more into cricket and football ज़्यादा. उस टाइम बस चल रहा है, like गाड़ियाँ चल रही है. It was more like कि हाँ कुछ तो हो रहा है, कुछ exciting हो रहा है. या like Hamilton, Vettel, ये बड़े लोगों का नाम पता था, and उस टाइम Force India होती थी, तो there was that Indian connection कि
Right.
like वो एड्रियन सुतिल चला रहा है, जर्मनी का हमारा लड़का था, तो like I was like following, तो उस टाइम पे एक फोर्स इंडिया के कनेक्शन की वजह से it was more की, बट अपन हमेशा मोस्टली 13, 14 उस टाइम ग्राफिक भी मस्त अजीब से होते थे, तो आप एक साथ कभी कभार टॉप 20 आता भी नहीं था, so it was like कि वो हॉरिजॉन्टल नीचे होते थे, मैं वेट करता था कि कब आएगा मेरे फोर्स इंडिया वाले किधर है. इतना ज्यादा इंटरनेट नहीं होता था, इट वाज जस्ट टीवी पे आ रहा है, सो आई थिंक वो एक अलग थ्रिल था, वो एक अलग टाइम था, तो तब से थोड़ा बहुत स्टार्ट करे, बट ऑब्वियसली ड्राइव टू सर्वाइव की वजह से व्हाट एक्चुअली हैपेंस इन द स्पोर्ट बिहाइंड द सीन्स, टीम्स का फैक्टर, वो सारी चीजें तब समझ आनी चालू हुई. तो यार जर्नी हैज बीन लॉन्ग, बट एक्चुअली प्रॉपर जर्नी देखा जाए तो लाइक 3-4 साल ही होंगे, बट या अदरवाइज इट्स बीन अ लॉन्ग.
I started watching end of 2020, like second half of 2020 season.
Okay.
Again, I was introduced by Drive to Survive. And when I used to like live with my family and all, तभी my oldest brother used to watch Formula 1. Then I always used to ask him like, what are you watching? आपको कैसे समझ में आ रहा है, क्या हो रहा है? And he always used to shut me up. So I always thought that Formula 1 was for like the older brothers, who love to drive and all. It's not my thing, and मुझे कभी समझ नहीं आएगा and all. Then I got introduced to Drive to Survive, and I was like, oh, this is interesting. And then I watched 2020 second half. But 2020 second half, I think is when I started like buying a subscription and watching properly, and since then I'm watching.
So I know Omi and Tanya, they are diehard Max fans. Rohan, who are you the biggest fan of?
Max.
Max,
I've always been a
yeah.
Red Bull fan, so it will be Vettel, Ricardo, and Max. So that's been the
Guys,
journey.
I'm surrounded by Max fans. So if I blink twice, I need rescuing at that very moment. Oh my god.
But more like I think Omi and Tanya might also agree कि it is just not one like एक के हम लोग fan होते हैं, but like
Absolutely.
Yeah.
like the connection is with like जब Sainz
Along,
जीतता है
yeah.
या जब Charles Leclerc जीतते हैं, तो there is a connection with almost every kind of every
Yeah.
driver and किसी का भी DNF होता है ना, it kind of hurts. मतलब you know
Hurt क्या,
like it's
इतने
not
गाने
like
बनाते हो फिर उसके बाद आप जा जाके
देखो वो तो कंटेंट के लिए बहुत कुछ करना पड़ता है, लेकिन
Hmm.
डीप इनसाइड लाइक बिकॉज़ इट्स नॉट लाइक अदर स्पोर्ट्स है कि लाइक अगर केकेआर सीएसके का मैच है, कोई केकेआर फैन है ना, तो ही वुड वांट कि चल सीएसके हारे.
Right.
Like in F1 like the connection like what I have seen with fans is कि वो हर ड्राइवर के साथ एक कनेक्शन होता है. अब जैसे एल्पिन का डबल पोडियम, everyone was celebrating it,
Yeah.
no matter
Yeah.
it was like Mercedes fan, Red Bull fan, Ferrari fan. So I feel वो एक
एक्चुअली
like that is something.
कोई खुद
हाँ.
के फैंस नहीं है ना, तो जब ऐसा कुछ हुआ तो बाकी लोग खुश हो गए, मैक्स वाले, लुइस वाले. जैसे आई डोंट थिंक जॉर्ज रसल हैज एनी फैंस.
I won't say much about Russell. He is the director of GPDA, so he can take any kind of action. So I will stay away from.
Yeah. Like, that's fun. I like to see him on
बट
track.
डिड यू गाइस सी दैट लेटर? मुझे तो 2 मिनट तक
Absolutely,
समझ ही नहीं
absolutely.
आया ये इतनी हिम्मत इनमें आई कैसे कि इनको नेक्स्ट रेस में से मुर्गा बनाएंगे क्या, चलो बाहर लाइन लगा के बैठ जाओ सारे. बट सेइंग कि द प्रेसिडेंट शुड माइंड हिज ओन टोन एंड देन अक्यूजिंग देम ऑफ embezzling funds, that was too bold.
Yeah, it was bold. But
And
I
I
think it was
think-
needed.
Yeah, absolutely. That's exactly what I was going to say, because it has been happening over such a long time that every driver was so frustrated, and so were the fans. So they needed to do something big and bold, and this is what they went for.
Exactly, and I feel
Yeah.
that, you know, I'm also watching a lot of old races, and I feel that drivers at that time were so aggressive in terms of like
Yeah.
championship, and they used to crash, not care, they used to DNF like crazy. Now it's like they can't even say fuck, dude. Like the kind of adrenaline that they are in, and you know, like the kind of
Absolutely,
under
yeah.
pressure. How can you? I say fuck 10 times just sitting at home. Imagine what they are going through, and they can't say that. It's just like rules for no
Ridiculous.
reason, and you're just
Yeah.
biased. And I think it was needed. It's good it happened.
That is
True.
true. That is true.
And in the timeline of events, like Brazil में Sebastian Vettel met all of them, and after that it happened. So I kind of see कि like Vettel would have like either they would have complained कि भैया भैया देखो क्या बदतमीजी कर रहे हैं भाई. I think there is a chance कि Vettel would have taken the initiative कि भाई परेशान कर रहे हैं तो उनको मैं जरा देखता हूँ इनको मेरा
And
बिगाड़.
Vettel gives that vibe also. He's been like the boss
Yeah.
guy. He's been world champion, and he's killed it. And now he knows that if he
Yeah.
tells these people, they will listen to him.
जैसे he was the one along with Lewis now who Lewis was wearing a lot of jewelry and he wore
Yeah.
underwear over his race
Underwear,
suit.
yeah.
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 So yes, I think it was much needed. अब मुझे लगता है ना इसके बाद what unfolds that'll be more interesting. I think in the 90s or 80s the F1 drivers were protesting. I think ओमी ने सारा अभी रिवाइंड करके देखा है तो सबसे ज्यादा I think fresh उसकी मेमोरी होगी.
हाँ,
ठीक है,
किया था, काफी
all
किया
the
था.
F1 drivers had protested तो वो गद्दे डाल के सो रहे थे कहीं पे and I think Nelson Piquet and all these people were there.
Yeah, उन लोगों ने Grand Prix late करवा दी थी. All of them were protesting. So that's just a part of it. When you do not give liberty to a driver who's literally risking his life to be a part of that sport,
Exactly.
what else do you expect him to do?
Coming back to how you guys started watching F1, but watching F1 is one thing. Then thinking of content and thinking of becoming a creator, one, I'd say that's very bold. Two, it's something really out of the box. How did that happen?
इस बार रोहन भाई से start करेंगे.
Cool. Yeah, see, I've been creating content for a very long time. I think which is very common कि I think Omi भाई का भी मुझे मैंने like I've seen some of his old content of like non F1 stuff also.
Right, right.
So I know, so like usually ये होता है कि it's not कि हम लोग अभी से like कैमरा उठाया and we just start doing something. So it's been a long journey. Like मैं around 8-10 साल से कुछ ना कुछ random content बना रहा हूँ. Either कॉलेज में या तो वो एक्टिंग का होता था या थिएटर
8-10
टाइप का हो गया
साल
था. Yeah.
8 to 10 years.
Yeah, so
Okay.
not on Insta, like otherwise.
Mhm.
And then like I just recently like began my YouTube page and I saw it was like made in 2012. तब मैं अपने कैसियो के वीडियोस डालता था like तुम ही हो का गाने and also I deleted all of that first ताकि like when I resume again. So it's been like काफी time से. Then I used to make like sports हमेशा से like important part of life था. I used to make cricket videos, like football videos. So F1 just happened I think few years back. When I had made one like parody, like I think a dubbing kind of reel, and
Mhm.
one of the meme pages they kind of like shared it, so which gave some traction to the reel. So इस तरीके से then I thought, and then मेरा क्रिकेट का BCCI ने कॉपीराइट डाल दिया था क्रिकेट की
हाँ,
वीडियोस
मेरे
में.
Oh,
भी
shit.
मेरा दूसरा अकाउंट उन्होंने 5
Yeah.
days के लिए ब्लॉक कर दिया था.
Yeah.
उसके बाद ओलंपिक्स में
So-
ब्लॉक कर दिया. मैंने बोला मैं नहीं बनाऊंगी, सॉरी मैं F1 में ठीक
My
हूँ.
Yeah.
God.
So मेरा भी अकाउंट सस्पेंड रहा था. Then I felt कि जब तक F1 ये because F1 भी बहुत जल्द ये करेगा.
हाँ.
Of course.
Where they will not allow us to use their videos and footages. They have already started
Yeah,
this
they
कि आप
started.
username में F1 use कर सकते हैं ना.
हम्म.
तो till the time this is there, like तब तक का ये plan है, उसके बाद we'll figure out another way to deal with it.
That's
But
why
cricket
we
का मैंने उस दिन but cricket का that day I decided कि okay, it's kind of not working out. So and F1 का start हो रहा था उस time पे, and there were less people who were making F1 content. Like 3 साल पहले बहुत कम लोग थे, तो
बहुत
it
कम।
just kind of gave me the motivation कि चलो अब इसी पे बनाते हैं, and if there is a small fan base. So it was never a platform to earn, या it was always about like a hobby, या कुछ बनाते हैं, like वो एक अंदर चुल होती है करने की, कुछ करना है side by side.
Of course.
So it was always about that. अभी भी नौकरी कर रहे हैं, तो like the source of income is the नौकरी.
Yeah.
So this is always like a fun part and all, and if it actually turns out to become something great, बहुत बढ़िया. But it will always be that side hustle kind of a fun part कि आप ये करते रहो, आपका हाँ घर चल रहा है आपका नौकरी से, but this is fun, like this is something we enjoy. And I think आपकी community ऐसी बन गई है कि now you feel like it.
Yeah.
Like there are some
True, bro.
really excited
Yeah.
like content creators, like आप लोग ही हो, हम लोग इंस्टा पे कह रहे हैं, आज हम लोग पहले प्रॉपर्ली कॉल पे हम लोग फर्स्ट टाइम एक दूसरे की शक्लें देख रहे होंगे. आई मेट तानिया वंस इन एन इवेंट, बट अदरवाइज वी हार्डली नो ईच अदर, कौन क्या करता है, किसकी क्या लाइफ है. एंड देयर विल बी लाइक मेनी कॉमन फॉलोअर्स ऑफ ऑल ऑफ अस. इट इज लाइक बहुत छोटा कम्युनिटी कि मान लो आपको 5-10 हजार लोग हैं जो बहुत क्लोजली फॉलो कर रहे हैं, दे काइंड ऑफ आर कनेक्टेड टू ऑल ऑफ अस. एंड मुझे इतने लोगों के नाम याद हो चुके हैं. लाइक कंटेंट तो सबके
Same.
Same, bro. Same. Yeah.
Same.
So, Tanya, saw that you started making F1 content in around 2022 का time.
Yeah, 2022 end I started making content.
Yeah, so like F1 is a sport. In general, sports में तो होता ही है, but in F1 more so, fans, creators, drivers who are women are not respected. I get a
Yeah.
lot of hate DMs when I put out my
Yeah.
rally content or F1 content. How did you get this confidence to start doing something which was male dominated?
When I started creating content in general, it was on world cinema.
Okay.
So basically, when I was creating content on cinema, I was not doing the Indian cinema. And Indian cinema also I was doing like from Malayalam, like Kerala ka cinema. So I was always into niche content. So I was very used to like talking to very limited people when I was creating content. And when F1 happened, I actually have a group of friends. And we are like 15 of us who watch Formula 1 religiously every Sunday.
Wow.
So
Oh.
I made, and like most of them are Ferrari supporters because they've been watching it since Schumacher's time. And only the 3-4 of us are like, you know, Red Bull supporters. So we are very
Poor
aggressive.
Mercedes.
So मैंने Instagram पे video डाला था between Ferrari and Red Bull to like tease my friends, and that kind of picked up, and obviously I got hate because a lot of Ferrari fans like gave me a lot of hate and stuff, and then I was like, oh, this was fun, and then I did another one, and I just got into like very offensive content. Like if you see my content, also, it's very like I offend drivers and teams, and I got used to like the. You're a fake DTS fan, you are a fake, you're
Yeah.
a plastic F1 fan, you're doing this for views. And I'm like, मेरे 6,000 followers है यार, मैं क्या views के लिए कर रही हूँ, मतलब relax about it. Also like in the start, because I think the only female who was doing it at that time. Now there are a lot of female creators. But I think at that time, people just thought that I was doing it to be cool. But I think I made a lot of friends, like, you know, Rohan and I met at this event, and everyone gave me like very warm welcome in terms like, oh, we watch you, we know of you. Like I was invited for this Red Bull event where I met like Sundaram and I met Siddharth from Gridmaster, and they knew me, and I'm like, oh, I didn't even know that, you know, the correct
Right.
people also know me, and
Yeah,
that thing was my motivation that okay, even if like the massy people don't like me, at least the correct people like me, and then I was just doing it for them, and now I think I'm in a good space. Like people now finally take me seriously. Like whenever I post a video on Lando or like Ferrari in the start, Ferrari fans used to unfollow me. And then, like, they would like abuse me, they would block me, they would DM me, they would unfollow me. Then agar Ferrari jeet gayi and I put a video on like, oh, Charles drove well. Oh, now you're liking Charles. And I was like, relax. Like it was just like start was to this, but now I'm thoda comfortable.
So Omi, like I have seen you grow from 200 followers. So I think the first time you followed me, you had around 100-200 followers. And
Right.
abhi I went to check for this research, and you have almost 23,000 followers. So
Right.
what is the secret?
Yeah, even I want to know. What is the secret? If you can't say, you DM me. But what is the secret?
No. I'll be transparent enough to say it that it has taken me literally 3 months
1
to
year.
It has taken me 3 months to figure out what is working. And fortunately, touch wood, the best thing is everything is working.
Good.
Yeah, because there's a हाँ मजा ही है भाई, क्योंकि मैं पहले I was overwhelmed कि okay, what is working, let me see, then I can replicate it, but then everything is working, so I have to replicate everything, which means I have to be myself, which I am on my camera. जैसा ड्रामा, जैसी कॉमेडी, जैसा ह्यूमर मैं लेके आता हूँ, I am exactly that in my normal sense. If you would meet me physically, you would exactly see as you see me on my screen. So people, I think, have generally liked that, and I tend to bring some entertainment and technicalities together, which I think works a lot. You know,
Yeah.
so in 2022, when you know the season was yet to start, and I had known everything about Formula One. So I think for pretty much a month straight, मेरे Instagram, Facebook, YouTube सब पे सिर्फ F1 algorithm चालू था. Everything, and I used to watch everything. So within a very short span of time, I had come to know a lot about F1, and that kind of bothered me because I had a lot of knowledge that I had consumed. Now where do I take this out?
Yeah.
Because as Rohan bhai said, I was also a creator इसके पहले भी. I had started my journey in around 2017, 2018.
Okay.
So I used to make funny content सबसे पहले. I used to make skits like Ashish Chanchlani, Bhuvan Bam.
Mm.
So that is where my humor comes from. Now when it came to Formula One, it was a different passion altogether. Like I haven't felt the same for anything. Not even like a relationship. To be very honest, it was so intense, it was so good, and it made me feel so happy all the time. Then I thought I have to make content about this because I have so much of knowledge. I need to share this, and in my style, in my own style, not like copy from anyone. Because अगर चला तो चला, नहीं चला तो नहीं चला. I am literally not expecting anything out of this. I'm just expecting people to see what I am here to give them,
Yeah.
and that actually came through. So I think I started mid 2023 making content. I think Austrian Grand Prix of 2023 is when I posted my first video, and it was about the review of Austrian Grand Prix. And then for straight 9 months, I was working in Mumbai, so I could not manage time, and I had posted very few reels. And some 4-5 months ago, I left my job. I shifted back to Nagpur from Mumbai, and then I had a lot of time with me. So what do I do now? I make content on Formula One crazily, like crazy consistency. I kept going for 4.5 months, and the result is in front of you. So that is something that has clicked very, very nicely, and I mean that's so good. I feel very, very lucky to have that kind of an audience, because I never felt that I would get that. But now that I have it, it feels very genuinely very nice, and I do not tend to stop. I tend to relentlessly like just follow it. So yeah, that's my story.
Yeah, that's brilliant because I always wanted to know. अच्छा तो मतलब अभी F1 content जो है, it has been happening for 1 year, but your content knowledge that you've been gaining, that has been happening for 7-8 years, if I'm correct.
No, not 7-8 years. So I genuinely came across Formula One in 2022. Like उसके पहले मैंने TV पे glance किया होगा Formula One, but I could not understand anything.
Not F1, other content knowledge because
Oh.
content works similarly across the fields. वो
Right.
अगर F1 में ढूंढना है what works, वो cricket में ढूंढना है what works, but it works on similar principles across the field.
Right. So yeah, it started from 2016, 2017 when I started with content back then. Right.
Yeah, even I started content long time back, but it was only related to cinema.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I've
It
seen
was
a lot
never
of your
sports,
videos about Malayalam movies. They've
Yeah.
done so well on YouTube.
Yeah,
I think
YouTube is so all about cinema only. वहाँ पे I've not changed because cinema is like my first love. But Formula One started very recently.
But why did you name your account The Donkey Business? It's so
Right.
interesting. It's
Good
so
question.
interesting.
भाई इसका पैसा चार्ज कर दो दानिया, इसका पैसा चार्ज करिए. ऐसे हल्के में नहीं जवाब देने का इसका.
हाँ यार, सोच के दो महीने सोच के ये नाम लिखा मैंने. But I've never even publicly spoken about why I named it Donkey Business.
Exclusive.
Exclusive.
भाई मजा आएगा. हमें सबसे पहले पता चल रहा है.
Right.
So basically, पहले जब मैं सिनेमा पे कंटेंट बनाती थी, I used to work as an assistant director on a set.
Oh,
And
wow.
so I worked in production, I worked as an assistant director, I worked as a actor. Matlab, I worked as anything and everything because I was very like attracted to like film sets. What happened was I was making a YouTube channel and I was like, what should I name it? तभी I was like, I don't want to name it like something related to just cinema. क्योंकि अगर future में मुझे books के बारे में बात करना है या anything, it should be a little global. It should not be like just related to cinema or something like that. So I was thinking of a name, and then I was like, set पे क्या होता है? Then I'm like, if I'm working as an AD, it's all about like, you're working for someone, but as an AD, you're just like blindly working. जो मेरे को मेरा director बोलता है मैं वही कर रही हूँ.
Right.
And I'm like, wait, ऐसे तो पूरी दुनिया में होता है यार. मतलब even if you're working as an intern, what your boss is telling you, you're doing that, and then I realized that the entire world right now is a business. And honestly, we are just like donkeys who are working in this world of business.
That makes
donkeys
so much
are not-
sense now.
Wait. It's not over.
Right.
But
Okay.
donkeys are not dumb. Donkeys are extremely hardworking. But you're not earning for yourself. You're making someone else earn the
Yeah.
money. You're just getting a share of it.
Yeah.
So that's why the world is a donkey business and my channel is the donkey business.
So
Oh भाई, round of applause.
It's so cool. It's so cool.
देवी क्या सोच है.
क्या कितने किलो बादाम लगे हैं इसके लिए, ये बताओ मुझे आप.
I told my friend about this. मेरे friend ने मुझसे पूछा था, why did you name it donkey business? I told him, believe me, I'm not joking. He left his job. He's like, I want to follow my passion. I'm going to leave my job. तूने मेरी आंखें खोल दिया, and he left his job. And I'm just like, bro, anything goes wrong, it's not on me.
Did that turn out well for that person?
I don't know.
All I
I
can
don't
think is
know.
the only motivation I am getting from this podcast is to leave my job because ये डोंकी बिजनेस प्रमोट कर रही है, ओमी भाई ने भी वही प्रमोट किया है, तो सो आई थिंक आई माइट बी अनएम्प्लॉयड टुमारो.
So the donkey business after this podcast is going to be a philosophy.
Philosophy, yes.
Yes.
और अगर मैंने अपने मैनेजर को एक्सप्लेन किया व्हाट इज दिस फिलॉसफी,
तब तो और ही फिर डॉगी बिजनेस का अच्छा नमूना मिलने वाला है बेटा. रुको एक्स्ट्रा 2 घंटे.
रोहन भाई आपके साथ 3 महीने बाद एक और पॉडकास्ट होगा, तब आप बताना आप क्या करोगे.
because like mostly all of us are kind of on that passion wala part. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Donkey business is way too ahead. Like वो philosophy का अलग है, तो वहाँ तक पहुँचने में तो इसमें टाइम लग जाएगा.
शेफ्स किस भाई.
I also not left my job. मैं अभी भी AD की तरह काम करती हूँ, but
That's a cool job.
I mean, to add in it, even I think, I don't know if you guys know about it, but even I am from the industry. I'm not an AD or something, but I'm a professional video editor.
oh, that's
Yeah.
why your videos are so well edited.
Right. That's the chef's kiss I provide. The best thing that has happened to me is my dad and my mom, my parents have let me do the thing that I've loved. I've loved video editing. I've been doing it since I was like 15, 16 years. I'm 24 right now. So for a long time I've been doing that, and they haven't said a word. They know I love it, and that's why I've kept going. So that's the only support I needed, and that's the only support they gave me. So thanks to them.
I think mostly it's like वो 20s में एक अलग टाइप की courage आ जाती है. I think it's more
Right.
that. See, wealth and all, I think we can all manage. Like हमारी families बहुत supportive होती है, तो like by what I've seen, most of our families would be very supportive. हम यहाँ ये सब कर रहे हैं तो ये ना वो the money part and all, किसी ना किसी तरह ना we also know कि we figure out a way.
हो जाएगा.
हम कर लेंगे. So that is not a big concern. The main thing is कि आप जो कर रहे हो उसमें वो मजा आ रहा है क्या, वो खुशी मिल रही है क्या.
Right.
अभी अब जैसे आप इंस्टा पे देखो, इंस्टा पे लाइक हम वो जो रील डाल रहे हैं उसके व्यूज के कुछ लाइक वी आर नॉट अर्निंग एनीथिंग ना, बट स्टिल वी आर पुटिंग दैट 2 hour 3 hour दैट एफर्ट कि चलो स्क्रिप्ट करिए, अब इसको थोड़ा एडिट कर देते हैं. इसका रिजल्ट क्या है? इसका व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग इन रिटर्न इज प्रोबेबली 10-15 कमेंट्स या 20 कमेंट्स, है ना, few likes.
You're too
Yeah.
humble right now, Rohan. Not
Yeah,
10-15
no.
comments. What are you saying?
Even if you go to 50 or 100, see, all reels don't work also. There you'll find many content right now also which will have just only 2-3 comments, है ना. So that is the secondary thing. The main thing is कि यार उससे वो आपको डाल के, तो आपको अभी क्या होता है ना, हर चीज कंटेंट, दिमाग ऐसा चलता है कि यार उससे कंटेंट बना लेंगे.
हाँ,
एकदम
absolutely.
से वो चुल होती है, एंड वो अच्छा हो या ना भी हो, मैं डाल देता हूँ, मैं पोस्ट कर देता हूँ, फिर मुझे सेटिस्फेक्शन मिलती है.
हाँ.
4 घंटे बाद देखा 4 ही कमेंट है, कोई बात नहीं भाई, मजा तो आया जब मैंने बना रहा था. तो जब आप बना रहे होते हो तब तो इट इज लाइक द क्रेजीएस्ट आइडिया इन योर
That's
माइंड कि
true.
भाई क्या
Very true.
सोचा है भाई गुलाटी, तेरे से ज्यादा कोई क्रेजी है ही नहीं, है ना.
आज तो F1 वालों की जन्नत है भाई, मैं ये रील डालने वाला हूँ आज.
आज तो दुनिया हिल जाएगी, आज तो कांप उठेगी. बट इवन अगर उसमें यार 4 कमेंट भी आते हैं या 10 लोगों ने डीएम कर दिया, जो कॉन्वर्सेशंस निकल के आती है ना, आई थिंक दैट्स द फन पार्ट. तो वो जो रेस वीकेंड होता है ना, दोस 2-3 days आर सो क्रेजी.
That is
मतलब
true,
एक तो
yeah.
हर टाइम कुछ भी देख रहे हो यार, इस पे मीम बना देंगे, ये कर देंगे. This part is to interact यार, like जैसे like even the content creators के साथ हम लोग regularly like we are connected.
Yeah.
10-15 ही है, ना, बहुत कम है अभी, है ना.
Me and Tanya, they do sketches and they write scripts उस तरीके से. I will come on to that. But firstly, I want to ask Rohan, चलो sketch, script, कुछ ऐसा लिखना कि कुछ तड़कता भड़कता डाल दिया. Because I've worked in F1 content also, तो मैं कुछ तो अपने रील्स ऐसे ही डाल देती हूँ, जैसे हेडलाइन बनाते हैं बेचने के लिए, वही उसी तरीके से डाल देती हूँ. जैसे I think I made this reel where I wrote Red Bull did Lando, Norris dirty, and it worked. So, but Rohan, writing songs, that is a different ball game.
Yeah,
How do you
that's
write
true.
songs?
See, I've been writing songs for a very long time. See, मैं गा नहीं सकता, until date मैं गा नहीं सकता हूँ, ठीक है. So that has always been the biggest challenge. तो पहले like in college I used to like write street plays. So street
Okay.
plays में that journey started, and then because once you start making those kind of songs ना, कि like आपको बस पता है कि आपको like you know the beats, so you will see mostly are Bollywood songs. So I'm a
Absolutely.
big Bollywood fan. तो
बाजीगर
उन
पे
beats
और
में बस
क्या काली काली
Yeah.
आंखें and everything.
yeah, so बस वो rhyme करना, like even if you start writing ना, you'll be able to. Eventually it's just rhyming scheme में बैठाना है चीजों को.
I think you're being too
ठीक है,
humble.
better है,
Downplay
but-
कर रहे हो. क्योंकि इस तरीके
to be
I think
very
your
honest.
second or third song it did 1 million views, no?
The Monaco
Yeah,
one.
that-
Oh my god.
मैंने
Monaco one.
Monaco one, Canada one as well. It was amazing.
Yeah.
I
Yeah, so-
was sent like मेरे DM पे मोनाको वाला, ये पतली पतली सड़कें वाला. Every person has sent it to me. Literally,
Absolutely,
like,
absolutely.
More than
Yeah.
50 people have sent it to me, including my mom. She's like, bro, look at this, and I'm like, what is this? And then I started talking. I'm like, this is crazy.
Alexandra भाभी शर्म से हुई लाल. Oh my god, hilarious.
And the way he's like talking about Kerry and Max all the time, it's just like, it's so funny. I love it.
It's only good till the time they don't understand Hindi, वरना फिर आएंगे
Yeah.
अकाउंट पे स्ट्राइक सच्चे.
अगर हर चीज का ना एक एक्सपायरी होता है तो देयर विल बी अ टाइम व्हेन पीपल विल स्टार्ट सी अगेन स्टार्टिंग में भी काफी लोग लाइक फाउंडेड क्रिंज है ना so
absolutely.
there will always be that audience
Yeah.
and again it will be an expiry date where people will be like यार बस यार
Yeah.
लाइक बहुत हो रहा है तो पता नहीं वो टाइम कब आ जाए कभी भी आ सकता है बट
इनोवेशन ना फर्स्टली आपने उससे स्टार्ट करा था वो रिकैप से क्वाली रिकैप एंड रेस रिकैप नाउ यू गॉन इनटू सॉन्ग्स आल्सो सो आई डोंट जो इतना इजी फ्लो बन रहा है जंपिंग ऑन टू वन काइंड ऑफ कंटेंट फ्रॉम द अदर आई डोंट थिंक दैट विल हैव एन एक्सपायरी बिकॉज वो बहुत इजीली फ्लो कर रहा है
as long as again we are also adapting as creators मतलब like we also see कि जैसे अभी भाई कह रहे थे he sees कि क्या content काम कर रहा है क्या नहीं कर रहा
फिर ओमी
तो
भाई
अभी
ने
तो
शो ऑफ
luckily-
किया सब काम कर रहा है
लगे तो ओमी भाई तो कह रहे हो वो सब कुछ काम कर रहा है तो
हाँ
ये चीजें
यार।
चलती रहेंगी there will be times when you feel कि शायद अब ये चीज इतना ज्यादा काम नहीं कर रही and for us again जो लोग 2-3 चीजें कर रहे हैं ना that consistency becomes a major issue like आप
Right.
पुट कर रहे हो एफर्ट डाल रहे हो यू जस्ट डोंट नो 4 महीने बाद क्या आप में उतनी एनर्जी है क्या
True.
बिकॉज़
Yeah.
F1 इज समथिंग जो 10 महीने चलता है
हम्म।
ठीक है तो वो सिर्फ 2 महीने का ब्रेक आता है तो क्या आप हर वीकेंड लाइक इतनी सारी रेसेस ये लोग लगे जा रहे ड्राइवर भी लगे पड़े हैं हम क्रिएटर भी लगे पड़े हैं सो इट्स अ लॉट लाइक इट्स नॉट लाइक कि तो 10 महीने जब कोई सीजन चलता है तो देयर विल बी टाइम्स व्हेन हम लोगों में भी वो आ जाता है कि यार बस यार अभी 1 महीने का ब्रेक चाहिए एंड अगर आपने वो 1 महीने का ब्रेक लिया तो इंस्टाग्राम आपके एल्गोरिथम की ऐसे बैंड बजाएगा
Full on.
रीच इज गॉन लाइक आई थिंक इन
Yeah.
ऑगस्ट आई वेंट फॉर अ रैली एंड क्योंकि
Yeah.
वो इतना इंटेंस था कि उससे लौट के भी हफ्ते भर तक हम टूटे फूटे पड़े हुए थे ब्रूजेस वगैरह लेके
Like,
so I couldn't do anything तो मेरा Instagram was like a dead space and my reach had just gone away बिल्कुल एकदम जीरो पे आ गई थी and उसके पहले आई थिंक अगर वो 90 डेज वाला स्पैन देखे तो इट वाज एट 13-14 lakhs सो उसके बाद वो एकदम जीरो पे आ गई थी एंड मुझे बड़ा ऐसे लग रहा था कि हाउ डू आई स्टार्ट अगेन
Yeah.
सो दैट
course.
हैपेंस सो
Also, like I to have this fear also sometimes that I'm like, yeah, now I'm creating content on Formula One. Before that, I was creating content on cinema. What if after 5 years I don't like F1 anymore that much? Then what am I going to do? You know, then well, that you're always like doubting your own thing. That what if after 5 years I don't have the time to watch F1? Then
Right.
what about donkey business? What about all the time I've given till now? You know, then I have to look for like other passion and I have to, because I am someone who loves to be on camera and loves to like create and stuff. But you never know what you might like and what you might not like.
That's
So
a very
that's also always
that's a
a
very
doubt.
legit point. So okay, so how do you guys create content? Like, do you write a script? Because I'm clubbing you both because आप लोग का थोड़ा similar है that it's a sort of a sketch situation. So how do you guys go about it?
Tanya, do you want to go first?
Yeah, I actually don't have a routine to be honest. If I watch a race and मेरे दिमाग में आता है no shit अगर ऐसा होता crazy होता I just put it out. You know, like you see my content also it's extremely raw. Like I'm sitting on my bed without makeup, or like you know I'm like in the car or I'm at work. And like if I get a thought, I'll just make it, I'll just post it. I don't have a routine as such also because I'm not doing like tech stuff or like statistics and all of that. I don't have to prepare a script. I just put that as a joke. And mostly all my reels are very like short form without a lot of edit and you know, it's just like I'll say one line, but that one line will only be like breaking. So then I don't have a routine as such. I just whatever comes in my mind, I make it. But then during the summer break and stuff, now that I've started including my friends, I kind of make references and I'm like, let's do this, let's do that, and
Right.
then I'm making kind of proper content. Like even we collaborated right now, so that we worked on for a week. But that's like the longest time that I've worked on or something like that. Later, so it's like abhi post
Instantly.
yeah, instant, very
Yeah.
instant.
And she has the most random and the most अजीब गरीब jokes.
Yeah.
Like she had shared a few jokes and I was like, क्या दिमाग चल रहा है इस लड़की का? कहाँ दिमाग चल रहा है
And
इस
you
लड़की
know
का?
what? That reel crossed 100K.
Right. Even when Tanya approached me for that the reel that we did on, it was I mean it's something that you know you can see in some sports. But then when we did our parts, when we shot our parts, she had like 3 instances kept कि ये instance डालूं तो ज़्यादा funny लगेगा या ये instance डालूं तो funny लगेगा या ये instance डालूं. So she has that starting से ही दिमाग चल गया है कि okay ऐसा ऐसा करके ये डाल देंगे अगर ऐसा ऐसा होता है and then फटाफट this will be sold. This will be like a hot cake about that time.
हमने वो वाला रील एक हफ्ता पहले शूट करके रखा था
हाँ.
दो दफा से like यार अभी मजा नहीं आएगा and then the third week when Red Bull again fucked up in the sprint I'm like bro I'm posting now
Yeah.
and it just picked up I'm like this is like perfect timing to
I had put out the Flying Dutchman वाला reel वो मैंने सोचा पहले था क्योंकि उस time I was just watching all these movies again so because F1 देखने जब start किया था उसके बाद मैंने वो movies देखी थी तो that Flying Dutchman thing clicked उसके बाद से Max ने जीता ही नहीं और वो बैठा हुआ कि वो जाएगा Max did not win a race तो वो फिर बैठा ही हुआ था वो reel फिर उसके बाद मुझे लगा नहीं अब डाल सकते हैं बड़ी मेहरबानी जीत दिया ये.
I swear यार क्या
That
खुशी हुई यार मुझे.
That reel has its own redemption.
So everybody was very shocked to see me put out a Max reel. फिर मुझे लगा नहीं उस दिन तो बनता था. It was really
Yeah, the
good.
Louis
Yeah.
fans are putting out a Max reel then, so everyone will be shocked.
So I got a lot of DMs saying Max. मैंने बोला नहीं F1 के लिए आज मैं F1 की तरफ से हूँ. But let's come on to the F1 questions. So what is your most controversial F1 opinion? मतलब ऐसे लोगों के पैर के नीचे से जमीन खिसक जाए ऐसी.
छोटे मोटे फॉलोअर आए हैं हमारे, वो भी ये निकलवाएगी. ये F1 की कॉफी विद करंट बनना चाहिए, हमारे करियर बर्बाद करेगी ये लड़की.